some people are really bad stand-ups, but they're really good writers. So now I got a good joke, and they're like, "Hey, you ever thought about writing a script about that joke?" "Oh, not really. Hey, let me write something for that." And you know, boom, boom, boom. Or somebody might see you like, "Hey, you're good. Let me introduce you to my manager. Maybe we can put something together." So you have to collab in this industry. It's hard. It's very hard. It'll happen eventually, and you just got to be bold and just make sure you stand out.
Do you think it's a very collaborative community, the stand-up and even comedy world?
It has to. It has to be. Like I said, it's I can have a joke about a water bottle. I'm like, yeah, water, da da da. You might have these jokes or whatever, and somebody else sees this same water bottle, like, oh, here's a set of jokes. Here's a set. Here's a set. Here's a set. And when y'all combine the set, you might have the best set all together. So being able to collab, and that's another thing why, even to this day, I would take a joke writing class just because I have this joke. Now I want to hear what five other people have about it and blow this joke up even more. So that is, or some people are really bad stand-ups, but they're really good writers. So now I got a good joke, and they're like, "Hey, you ever thought about writing a script about that joke?" "Oh, not really. Hey, let me write something for that." And you know, boom, boom, boom. Or somebody might see you like, "Hey, you're good. Let me introduce you to my manager. Maybe we can put something together." So you have to collab in this industry. It's hard. It's very hard. It'll happen eventually, and you just got to be bold and just make sure you stand out. It's still a very white man industry, even though you'll hear people say, "Oh, it's hard to be a straight white man these days." You hear that so much. Like I told one person that I overheard them saying, like, "Oh, it's hard. Everything's got is trying to be diverse and women oriented." I'm like, "Are you upset that things are becoming equal? Like, is that go back in your time machine, go to the 1950s if you like." I hate that kind of comment. Then I told one person, I was like, "Then let's trade." So you're telling me you would trade being black? Then what? Are you? Don't do that. But you will know so some of the other people that you will be competing with. So you can collaborate. There's certain comics that don't like some of their writers, that don't like some of their um people that they're comrades, but they work well together. So you think every business, these big multi-billion-dollar businesses, everybody like each other, all the CEOs? No, no. A lot of them hate the top CEOs. Some of them, like Apple kicked, I think that then they kicked Steve Jobs out. Like they fired Steve Jobs from his own company. I mean, eventually they hired him back, but it was like, God, you mean you can get hated on by the people that you hired? Like, so, but they come together and they make an iPhone. They make the iPod. So yes, you have to collab, whether you like it or not. You think you a one man band? Good job. Try giving the drums to somebody else and see how much better and how much focus you can be on your saxophone. So yes.
Is part of it building a team that really works together as well, from even having a publicist?
I need a publicist. I ain't really got the money for like a publicist, like a good one. They cost like $2,700 a month. Ugh. Anyways, but they will get you on the right red carpet. They get you at the right events and all that other stuff. A team is very important. You need a good lawyer, a good publicist. You need a good manager, and especially when things starting to work out for you, because they all are taking the weight. Their job is to make your life easier, make sure that you get the right amount, or they put you in the right locations in the right places and all of that. And even like a friendship team you need, because this journey is long, it's scary, it's hard. There's gonna be a lot of people that try to set you up. Like you got you $1 million. Like let's just say the world knows that you got yourself $1 million. Now everybody's coming after you. Everyone, people you don't know. There's gonna be a girl that she might kiss you, but then say that you forced your kiss on her. You might get these friends like, hey man, let me just borrow 20,000. I'll give it back to you. Now they gone with it. Or you might, so you get that right core of people that be like, nah, Willie, don't do that. You don't want to go to that club. Don't let me go talk to them. You stay right here because you too important, and they'll go and do whatever. So the team is helpful for your business and for your personal side of all of this.